So my wheel broke off of my lawnmower. All my other ones don't look good, so I'm just gonna replace them all. Bring a broken one to Lowe's or Home Depot, Harbor Freight, go to their aisle that have lawnmower wheels, match it up. This is just a generic wheel. So it's got a little bolt I just screwed. So when it came off, there's a washer that sits right here. You get this bolt off the old wheel. And looks like I might get lucky with this one. This is my 8-inch. The best way to do it is just to match it up at the stores and you know, see what they have. So my wheel came with some extra hardware. I'm just gonna kind of go with what I originally had, was just a washer, and I'll probably put a washer on this side too. It matches the same bolt shaft. This goes perfect over it. So I'll put one on the side of the wheel, and then I'll put one right here. And then I just kind of got it hand threaded, and then I'll just use my wrench here. Actually, a socket would be a lot better. You can find the socket, just tighten it down. It doesn't got to be mega tight because you don't want to snap the bolt or strip the threads, but get it snug enough, and then you should be good to go. All right, thanks for watching.